Hi, my name is Nipuna Ambanpola, and I serve on the board at Books for Keeps. I'm originally from Sri Lanka, and I work full-time as the Research and Public Service Manager at the J.W. Fanning Institute for Leadership Development at the University of Georgia. And today, I'm actually going to read The Noon Balloon by Margaret Wise Brown, illustrated by Lorena Alvarez. Let's get right into it. Oh, the noon balloon will be leaving soon. Just one traveler hops aboard, a little dog. Up, up goes the noon balloon, and up, up goes the little dog. And up go his little eyes, and up goes his little nose, and up go his little ears. He looks up, nothing but the sky and sun. He gives a big sniff, nothing but air. He listens, and all he hears is air everywhere. Softly, the noon balloon drifts through the clear afternoon. One by one, the sights and smells and sounds of the world float up to the little dog in the noon balloon. And he sails over the fields. What does he see? What does he smell? What does he hear? And over the waves, what does he see? What does he smell? And what does he hear? And over the mountains, what does he see? What does he smell? What does he hear? And over the city, what does he see? What does he smell? What does he hear? Until the wind stops blowing and the noon balloon comes down ever so slowly. The little dog pricks up his ears and sniffs the world around him and jumps to the ground. He has come to where he wants to be. And that's the end of The Noon Balloon. Thank you.